Hey, my name is Rahi Miah, and I'm a solutions engineer here at AkitaBox. In this video, I'll give you a short demo of our FCA platform. We'll start off with our FCA Capture mobile application available on iOS devices. The Capture mobile app enables field technicians to capture and record condition assessment data for every facility and their assets. With offline capabilities, technicians can work from even the most remote areas and their data will automatically sync to the system. Let's take a look at our administrative services building here and go to the first floor. The power of AkitaBox comes from us visually representing all of your assets on a 2D floor plan that you can directly manage. If you click here, you can see a list of all your different asset categories, and tapping on any one of them will show you all the relevant assets on the floor plan. If I select HVAC, you'll see all of your HVAC equipment mapped out, and you can click into any one of these pins and see that particular asset's details. Creating assets in field is simple. Let's say I want to add a chiller on this floor. You can click this pin here and choose the HVAC option. You'll be prompted to fill out different fields relating to this asset. You can add a name, record the condition of the asset at that exact date, and fill out other useful information. You can attach O&M manuals, warranty informations as PDFs, as well as attach photos that you capture in field. You can select from your photo gallery or take the photo with your camera right on the spot. Let's attach some relevant photos to this chiller. Once you've selected all of your photos, you can hit add and they'll attach themselves to the chiller asset. What's really cool is that if you're taking nice clear photos of your assets' nameplates, AkitaBox can recognize the text in the photo. Using OCR technology, we can recognize the serial number directly from the photo and then copy paste it into the exact field. You'll see that the serial number that we pasted is now updated on this side. So it's speeding up the process for mapping assets on the floor plan by reading and recognizing the most important information for your technicians. Once you're done filling out these fields, you can close it out and move on to your next asset. You can see that this mobile app reduces the time a facility condition assessment takes both for data collection and for report building, automatically uploading all asset data directly into the AkitaBox software.